Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to connect a double phase welding transformer on a three-phase power supply. You look, there is a three-phase power supply coming, and here Russian breakers were 250 amps rating total. We have one spare Russian breaker, and it's rating 150 amps. So now we're gonna connect our double phase welding transformer on these points. So first of all, we make sure there is no power supply coming. Breaker is off. Now we're gonna use L key for this. We'll use this to insert the wires properly. Now we plug in wire in the breaker connectors and tight it. Make sure there is no losing, because loose point makes sparks. So the job is almost done. So this is completely tightening. Now we're gonna separate the wires and power on the breaker. So guys, here we go. Now you can see three phase power supply is on. We have left one phase behind because we are using just two phases.